Now, one thing we you guys know about URL, and I say we get different types. This particular kind of link will be used for here. Now, what we they call absolute link or absolute path or absolute address. We they only use absolute address for external pages. Now, nobody will arrest you if you use them for your internal pages. That's pages with the in your own website on your own server. But no be good practice because you don't need them. Instead of using absolute path and absolute address for pages with the inside your own website, you go use what they call relative path. To do relative path, you could just specify the folder with that file or that page there for your website. Remember, as we specify the folder with our logo, we will use as our fav icon there for this link path. Now, the same approach you go use to link specific files and folders for your page. In fact, once you start the right JavaScript code, you go see here you go to link and reference several other pages for inside your website, and you go to use relative path. To use relative path, if the file where you the reference they inside the same folder as the file from where you the reference up. That is, say this index.html file now. If the file really want reference, they inside this same folder. All we need to do is to use the name of the file dot the type of the file as our href. He could find that. But if he did inside another folder, then we go first write that folder slash the name of the file dot the file type. Now, if the folder with this one dig inside be back, that is, now the parent of the folder where our file where we do reference something from big inside. That means say we go first put dot slash to tell the computer to first go back to another folder where they before this folder where we begin. Then you go omit forward slash the folder where the deal with the reference dig inside. Then forward slash the name of the file dot the file type.